GTEC Gréasan Digital na Gaeltachta is a network of digital hubs in the Gaeltacht, the Irish-speaking regions of Ireland. The hubs are all located in rural locations, mainly on the west coast and island regions, and provide an essential service to companies, entrepreneurs, remote workers, visitors and community groups. We also work closely with other digital hubs in Donegal for the benefit of our county. Companies based in the hubs create employment.
So I run a company called Customer Service Excellence Ireland, and we're involved in consultancy and training for companies that are looking to improve their overall customer service. And we also do sales training.
I'm a senior manager with the Open University, which provides part-time distance learning to thousands of students across the UK, Ireland and globally.
The hubs are centres of innovation for business in the region, providing services such as mentoring, networking events, access to funding programmes and training.
It also provides an environment with a broad range of businesses, much different and diverse than our own, and therefore we can network with those companies and learn and share, ideas and opportunities.
I live in Gweedore in West Donegal, and GTEC's perfect for me because I can work near where I live and at the same time interact with hundreds of colleagues every day virtually across many different locations in the UK and Ireland. The broadband here is excellent. It's really invaluable for the number of Teams and Zoom meetings that I do all day, every day. The management here are really supportive in accommodating me, and it's also a great chance to meet lots of other people who are working remotely here too.
And we give a lot of encouragement and support to entrepreneurs who are starting their own business. Life in the Gaeltacht is great. The regions are scenic and serene and have a strong sense of community.
The GTEC's located in the heart of the Gaeltacht, which is fantastic because it gives me and my partner the opportunity to live here because we want to speak Irish and have it as part of our daily lives.
Opportunities provided by the GTEC network enable people from the Gaeltacht to remain in their native region or return home to it. Thanks to the GTEC hubs, people get to live the life they want and work in the jobs that they want, far from the hustle and bustle of city life.
It takes me less than 15 minutes to get to work here through stunning scenery. And I like the fact that, the GTEC building is on par with anything that you would see in New York or London or Dublin, yet it's here on the Wild Atlantic Way in the heart of my community.